And a marine biology professor at Des Moines Public Schools Central Campus recently discovered a new species of sea life, and he's brought that discovery straight to the classroom. Our Griffin Wright joins us live this morning from the Marine Biology Lab at Central Campus. Griffin, tell us what's going on around you.
Well, it's like you said, I'm here at that Central Campus Marine Biology Lab, and you can see just all the fish tanks and everything else around me. But really, I talked with the professor of the marine biology program here and talked with him about how he brings his discoveries to the classroom experience.
You don't hear ocean and Iowa together in the same sentence often, except at the Marine Biology Lab at Des Moines Public Schools Central Campus.
These are all saltwater tanks, and we have about 130 different aquariums. The largest is 2,400 gallons, and we probably have 150 to 200 different species of organisms, all cared for by our students, which is really cool.
That's Dr. Gregory Berord, the instructor at the Marine Biology Lab. He discovered a new species of nautilus, and he brought that discovery back to the classroom.
So our research team looked at different populations of this animal, the nautilus, and we discovered that what we thought was just one species was actually 3 species. And so for me, I try and bring that real life science into this classroom. So students aren't just reading about science in a book, they're actually seeing a scientist do the work and they're participating with it.
Dr. Berord shows students what it's really like to be a marine biologist, making a whirlpool of excitement.
When you talk about it with students and they just see how exciting it is and they want to be a part of it and then they want to go be a marine biologist and study things, it's cool, just that circle of science and how it works.
That circle of science is turning at Central Campus. The marine biology program started 9 years ago, and some of its students have already gone on to study in the field.
One of my first students, my very first year, just got his PhD, which is cool to see. And we have students that go into working in zoos and aquariums and all different aspects of the marine field.
While the students may not be discovering new species in class, their experience sparks lifelong curiosity.
When I come in here, I'm smiling because of the lab we have. And the students are learning everything from taking care of a tank, but also like the organisms in the tank. And oftentimes it's these little tiny observations they make that are just like these wow moments. And they're able to share that with their peers, they're able to share that with their family and friends to just kind of be excited about the marine world.
Central Campus's Marine Biology Lab is our city's secret slice of the sea that's sure to inspire the next generation of scientists.
And you can just see just how incredible it is in here. All the tanks they have, all the fish. You would never know driving by this building. It's right on Grand Ave, Central Campus, that they have this slice of ocean right here. We have a huge 1,200-gallon tank right here with all different types of tropical fish. I love, they have, the fish from Finding Nemo, every type of fish you can think of. And it's so cool to see this here in Des Moines. Where's the nearest ocean? It's all the way on the coast, right? But we have that here with Des Moines Public Schools Central Campus Marine Biology program. And that's awesome to see that these students can get that experience here in Des Moines that really rivals other programs that would be on the coast or just high-level types of programs. And that type of education can take place here, and you just have this incredible, incredible facility full of awesome fish.
Absolutely. Experiential learning at its finest. So cool that teacher is able to bring back what he's discovered to students here locally. Griffin Wright reporting live for us this morning. Thank you, Griffin.